In this station, you're going to be melting ice cubes again on an empty soda and a full can of soda. This is what the setup's going to look like.
Hard one. Let's see if you can get it. Here are two aluminum cans. One can is full of soda, the other is empty. If we flip them over and place an identical piece of ice on each, what do you think will happen? Pick an answer and see if you are right.
So some of the possibilities look like this, or a third, fourth, or fifth. You may include your predictions inside your data table. That's what we're trying to get to now. What kind of data are you going to collect? So you know that you have two cans, you know that you have ice, you have access to scales, thermometers, seconds on your timer. Just don't forget, if you're measuring temperature, if this is your heading, you want to also put in your units. So if you are measuring temperature, you're going to measure the units of temperature, because you could choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. We're going to choose Celsius if we're doing our temperature. So think about what you're going to measure and how you're going to design your experiment.